After I rolled on the joint compound, it was time to skim it out. I'm using a 12-inch drywall taping knife and a 14-inch mud pan.
Let's start at the bottom. You see the little ridges? Don't worry about those. Those will get filled on the second coat. Just like the roller, I'm putting pressure on a certain side. Putting it on the left side so I don't leave a line on the right side. But even if you do have a few lines, once it's dry, you can scrape them off with your 6-inch knife. Let's get the bottom. Putting it on the left side so I don't leave a line on the right side. Pressure on the left side, lifting the right side just barely. See how there's no lines? From the knife, these chatter marks are from the texture. Second coat will make all that go away. Alright, so there is the first coat with my paint roller trick. Well, you can see the texture is pretty much gone.
I will be scraping the first coat after it's dry and then applying a second skim coat. Subscribe for the next video in this series and more drywall and skim coating tips. Thanks for watching.